Welcome back. So in this session we will create a new program where we will print the simple interest. So let's start by creating a new class, giving the class name as SI. Okay, double clicking on it. Now let's remove all this stuff and public static void main string args. Now let's int principal equals 10,000, int rate equals 5 for 5%, and int time equals 3 for 3 years. Now we will take a data type float si, and si equals principal into rate into time divided by 100. That's the formula. Now we will write system dot out dot print ln. Now we will write si is plus si. Okay, so that's done. Let's compile it. So there are no syntax error. Now next task will be to run it. Now we will right click on it, void main. Okay, so SI is 1500, the simple interest. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching my videos, and if they're really helpful, please do share it with your friends, like it, and subscribe to Learn to Code tutorials. Thank you.